Kakati Bobi chikakasi mwangula yina amanyi ababe bayitamu yata ina amanyi bakola ki bawangulwa ate tulina okulonda kwa mirundi ebiri okwa president in parliament
bikolwa kuna kulero saazi ezimu
nagati Bobi Wine alinga omukulu wa bandi aba abayimbi babikola nnyo ayinza okugenda kwemba sayini bamuva visa abadongo ne bagenda kati bannayuganda kye bakola Bobi Wine iba mu visa ne batwala abadongo bazzi abadongo bo visa bagifuna era ennyonyi bagirinye that's what it means. You cannot deny one. Toyeza kubeera ng'ekyuma kibbomu bano ne bakkiriza ebivudde.
So kati Bobi Wine akola atya awummule paka
ekiwedde era nze nadde ku mukolo gw'aba DP chairman w'e Kasanda babadde alayira I went there mukwano gwange ne Mawe yabaddeyo ne mbaga nti mmwe bamawo bano temubanenya si banafu naye gwe balwana naye w'amaanyi nnyo
abavunana bamawo ne baga nti mu struggle yabalema mu byagaana mu tulimba bulimbi
ebaga gwe mutulolero si munafu ne Beni omugaga yali mu kukola ekibiina kya DP ono yakikoze ne Semugere yalina abazungu kyamulema. This man is not weak. Naye gwalwana naye
mawo
imwe w'amaanyi Museveni w'amaanyi and is underestimated.
So kati Bobi Wine abakaye bonna balayidde ekyo kyawedde bangu nnyingi basegirinya
musanga abantu bagusaze kuba baali
eyo koti y'abantu
tewawuli abaganda bagundi president yabayita wano ng'aleeta etteeka eriteekako ebibonerezo ku bakabaka abamenye constitution tebaga nti mweyiwe ku luguudo mwenna mulaba omuganda alinnyayo waligayo Bobi Wine tulaba agendayo abalayidde babakubye
anze bwe nalya nti Bobi Wine agonze kwe kubayita n'abaga nti bannange president Museveni ajja bbawo ebifo temubikkiriza temukola mutya
kaakati plan for something else naye mwene kankubuulire abantu abasinga obungi ate bwe ntunuulira Bobi Wine ku bannabyabufuzi ba wano ate asikuwalinga nnyo kuba wali ebyo olowooza balina experience kakati nze banneewerera okunzita kyamaani anti omumanyi yatudde ne munne namuga nti akasajja kabobbola essasi
naye gwe bamanyi nti obawuliriza tebatya kwogera ekyo
anti beerimba buli kaseera kati tuli wano kati gundi kakati ebyuma tubijeeko nze nakabatunuulira baleeta abachina ne booza essimu ngambalaba bwe nti akachina ne kabafera ne kagenda ne bakola zoom yazzeeko luli nabaga nti zoom yammwe Abamerika bagiyingiramu nga mukyogerako ebyama era yazzeemu fellowship yazzeemu balimba Museveni mbu bamukolera wulira akatambi ako kakube
yamugambye kyamanya
yagendeyo omusajja namwagalira mukazi omusajja twamugoba mu gavumenti
anti ogenda n'ogira n'oga nti kati
temwajagalira mukazi mwe munnemedde
ogenda n'obagamba nti
eggwanga lyaffe sifaamu ya muntu
But if you spend over a full hour, just destroying my name, it doesn't make any sense. Actually, I tried to look at it. Why this thing?
abo banneewezi kizifo katuufu
era nti mbadde ndoza nti kano
akokubiri yes
make a new tone.
Kano
That has to be taken by everyone. It is our own right to have a rightful thinking mind. Then we can move it and we can accelerate it. That is the most important thing I would like us to do. That is really very good. I have really liked it. You see, when you look at certain people and how they behave, it is quite interesting. It's quite interesting. So I have studied Rogers and see how he behaves. He's some kind of good guy. But by pretense, he will always betray you. Maybe because he's a soldier or what. So he went and narrated everything to Moscow and Rugaba. And he's expecting so much to come and write to me. He didn't know that he was being fooled. Currently, now we know whatever he's thinking. And we're not going to allow him. We cannot allow him. We cannot allow him to do that. We cannot have another problem. At this time, we are having a Tamaremiro Nibi upping here and there, destroying our image, putting a full stop to our continuity. And we are getting more challenges from our own people. Then that is the wrong thing, a wrong approach, and we need to do something about it. You see, me, I told you personally that there are certain things we are working on, but we might not succeed for one great reason. People are not willing to be twisted into thinking of a new creation at this moment when this one is already damaged. They prefer to first of all repair this one, then they can jump on with something new after this one has been repaired. So you are able to reproduce another one, to produce a replica of the currency that is moving, the current. So it is upon us to fix what is existing today before we think of creating something new. I understand that. And you see, politically, he was right to me. Yes, about the whole thing. So when he came around, he was telling me at the pre-arrangement, he gave me false information. And I based on it, of course, to create something which now seems to be stuck in the mud. It cannot shift even an inch. But the most interesting thing here is that let us organize and go through this mist, because now we are getting obstruction of our sight into the future because of a lot of fracas going on here and there. So I would think personally that, Chairman, if you can spearhead this, I give you the skeleton of the whole thing, and I know you can sit down, analyze it, and visualize it, and practice it. That is what I think, and I know you can do it. We have tested your capacity. We all allowed the downfall of the fellowship. Otherwise, had we resisted, you still had the focus and the vision to take us further. That one I know. Oh, thank you for appreciating. I thought maybe people did not see that. I thought they were casting blame for the downfall of this fellowship on me. That is what I thought. No one ever thought that. Actually, no one ever thought that you could do. Actually, in the first place, it has been about 4 years with the uninterrupted read by you. Unfortunately, what your predecessor did, for you, it was a very visionary thing. We made a lot of money. The unfortunate thing is that the sharing proportionality was always for the top class. And some of us were taken to be the lower middle. Am I right, my boss? No, actually, it is not we whom you think that we are the top class. It was just that the number was too big, that the sharing was overstretched, that we got very little percentages, and some of you could not believe it. You could not believe it. Yeah, maybe that could be true, but we are seeing mushrooming, shopping malls. We are seeing mushrooming, high class, top-end apartments everywhere. Where was that money coming from if it wasn't for this? But Chairman, really, really, we have several investments which we had put in place already. We are blessed, we are being given money for 2 investments from our wives, from our close relatives who are biologically related to the president. So that accelerated us. So it is not a wiseacre move. No, it was everybody's responsibility to build up to that extent. So in the fellowship, it was just an added advantage, but it never was that. As we think that we are all the proceedings that we get, that we had the right to share, it wasn't that. It is not the reality. Anyhow, whatever the situation is now, let us look at the way forward. You see, we've got a lot of challenges. We got a phone call from somebody who really told you that they know whatever you're doing, and it should be put to a full stop. I know those are things better by Damari Mirundi. Me, I told you that we have to be very decisive, and we decisively choose to move forward. Otherwise, if you listen to phone calls threatening, are they going to black out our eyes, our fingernails? Are they going to amputate our legs or hands? Are they going to behead us? Nothing completely. And we're not doing anything treasonous. We're avoid or can give us access to the future rather than dying in between there. Well, that is your perception. But you should think about the whole thing. Me, whatever Tamarani does, me, I've been attacked, delimited, and put down to zero. And I don't care. I don't care. I cared until I could not change anything. So I allowed Tamarani to hit us. But I heard what he was saying on the STV. He destroyed us, did everything to us, and particularly this information goes to His Excellency. Of course, that one I know. Because the information I got is that His Excellency was also trying to counter strategy, was counter strategizing to deflate our efforts, and I know he's doing it, but that is okay. He's going to realize that we're not fighting him, and we're not fighting anyone. Oh, but normally it is assumed, according to what Mremi normally says, that it is a project to fail Muhoozi from rising to power. That is the whole thing. That is the whole thing. So you're not attacking Museveni, but you're blocking Muhoozi from becoming whatever it is. No, but I'm like any other Ugandan. I can choose to go where I want, just like I wish to choose where I want. So if it is a competition to the main, to who takes the top city in the next destination, then it is a risk to go into a hassle. She's more advantaged and privileged than I am. So I need to put more efforts. But His Excellency is putting up efforts for him. Everything is under the silver bread. It is not like us. And that is the difference. Well, that has not gone deep into those things. You know, me, I normally get frightened when you start to go very deep into those things. That's why I normally advise you that why don't you put this on paper rather than discussing only to be heard on radio, being mentioned by Tamarani and all of that. How can we really stop, that habit? Can we really stop it? Anyway, that is what I would also suggest, that let us stop talking about this since we can write and all of us can read. So let us always read. We share these notes, and immediately after reading, we destroy. There is no need to carry on with anything. That is what I would think. I think you're very right. We should stop talking about these things as simple writing. So somebody can duplicate and take to His Excellency a copy. I would rather talk Tamarani Mirundu reports, and I know how to get away with it. But something written is something very dangerous. Nothing should ever be written. That is what I think. When I give you the strategy, how many people did you share it with? I really don't share it with no one except myself. Well, that is good for you. I trust you for that, but we cannot do this because we are all property. And we are being perceived as being problematic to others, so we should not tolerate anything. So my suggestion is very simple. Let us do what we are supposed to do. We discuss, we talk, and go. Whatever the espionage being done against us, soon we are going to find a countermeasure. We are looking for that house. It is going to be well furnished, galvanized, and armored. Avoid any kind of espionage. We shall always leave the phones in our cars. Then we sit in and we discuss and go. We have located the facility and we are upgrading it to those standards. So we are not going to stop talking, but we are not going to write anything. Well, that is good. If that is what you suggest, it is okay. It is very okay. It is even safer if nothing is ever written down. There is no tangible evidence to ever pin you down for anything. So with the talk, you can talk anything. But let us fight espionage. Me, whenever I listen to Tamarani, I develop good people. I get very uncomfortable. I get depressed. I find several challenges on my head. So let us try to find a solution to this. And really, things don't continue the way they are because we are endangered. I'm already threatened because amongst all of you, yes, I'm the chairperson, but when the trouble rains, it's going to hit me harder because I'm not anywhere closer to where the people belong. So I'm going to be hit hardest. So that is why me, I might want to opt out whenever I start those things. Because to me, I perceive them as treason. And when His Excellency gets full information about this, it's going to be deep trouble. Why should he always get frightened? Don't you think he knows? Tamara Miranda has been recording all of these things and submitting digital discs to His Excellency. And I've been summoned several times, warned off several times, but I've really proved that I'm not rebellious against him. I'm only creating branches which can also be controlled by himself, which can also be adopted by himself. Much as they give me an advantage, it does not mean that they're selfish, they're selfless. Anybody can take them up, and I'll continue defending my position in that way. Because it is a clear thing, so I don't want to be perturbed. If that is the case, really, then that is okay. But I really don't want to be probed. I thought you already through the whole thing. Let us pray that you already get through. We hit down the Kandaka, we look into those constitutional amendments, we extend the terms to 7 years. And after those 7 years, then we can see how to do, how to take on the rest of the battle. Otherwise, if His Excellency realizes that the 7-year term is a disadvantage to himself and to be put at ransom at the end of his term, then it is high time. We become very conscious and we caution each and every thing that we do, because we may never wake up at one day. It is a bit frightening, but I don't want to take it the way Chairman you're taking it. If it has defense lines, then we can run the defense lines. But one thing, we don't want to go very deep, and we don't have to act very secretive, because the more secretive we act, and we are dug out, we shall be exposed, and a lot of evidence will be apparent. So if we are going to work on this, we make sure that it is not treasonous. That is one of the best things I did. And we need to take it to the best practices agreeable by both the NRM party and the regimes for the national constitution. So if it is a political project, let us think about it. That we draw it up in a selfless manner that can accommodate anyone or everyone, rather than creating a project to serve one person that can really be widely perceived as a political rival. So we need to be very careful about that. I was very careful about this before even anyone ever thought of it. So just keep in the range of what I give you. You're going to be very successful. That one I'm telling you, and I'm assuring you, you don't have to worry about anything. It is going to work out very right.
Atuliza alicholiona omukulu nafusamale edogozi liryo
gari kadakako the problem yange nawe only one or 2 3 1 where's the panic from? How can you prepare a burial site when somebody is not yet dead? Are you a witch? Whether in panicking, there is a political virtue which can be grabbed by somebody else. 2, their methodology of work. They have suffered a lot. John Abuzdenga Bagamba, President Yamba 7 billion, never zipper. Kakati they are smelling.
There is a president is a Linda Kadono. There is a president is a yazikuwa support
projects never zipper.
There is a president of a zipper as well.
Seka mugundi yabo. Kakati bategedde basemeri zenteriye ndala. Kakati Kalisa yabadde akugumya nga akomyewo. Oba president yali asasuulira program ya Kalisa nga tampa yadde 10. Yabadde ati group yabwe era yemu yeeyo. Nti era baddemu bakozesa embwa yaabwe. Travel bali batande wakakiiko akafu. Babbye 7 billion. Kati mubagala bagale ku TV zonna. Bateekewo emungu embwa bagita nkubayyondo ne TV bana mwijja
Linda Kadono.
Bavuka mwijja
Linda Kadono tamani.
Ayukiru
bagala TV zonna eza.
Mbu ansindike ati nina popularity.
Ka TV kizibagala okugala.
Kati ya Kalisa yaganye byagambye. Chairman yagambye it's too bad for Haji Kalisa. You destroy this. Uyo musajja yagenda program TV ne Kalisa yabadde akomeza omuwanga nabadde mubete ento omutwe. Okwati bamanyite
okateka ti muwanga kwati.
Ati strategy empya alimbweddeyo era nali Kalisa kye yali yakoze
okola muwanga
Kalisa kye yali akoze nti akakiiko kafulume tindiko Museveni yanonze era aba NBS bwe basooka bali patent omutu Kalisa
akakiiko akali fake
business of 5% zange bazibye kakati ekyokusatu if you are planning for the whole country how can you sit as a group of criminals?
No, but you don't have to sit as a whole country to plan for the whole country.
Those people were indicted by the International Criminal Court for organ extraction and export. What if they are protecting their own interest? The Mao Yagamba, the enemy of my enemy is my friend.
Chairman Mao,
ngabo mu planning gira mukozi kati bidikire open I'm supporting mukozi mugenda kulaba mezani bwe yawanika
oza kumuhozi
hata ulide bwagami ndio nanketa rojazi ebintu byonna byenayogedde naye yabiwulidde naga ndi musaga
byakutedeko omuntu
asisi rubbish why if we want to have
naye olutalo lw'omunyumba gulwagazaaki
nedda
kuba muhozi
kusika
gwoli muwayi
luli kubusika
obusika bwakusikira president Museveni wakusikirayo ekibwabulwa
where 99% Basilamu the minority Christians must understand what type of movement they are erecting. Is it a fundamentalist or a modernist?
Why is it imani kai naga wabeera kuba haleluya wano.
There are 3 catchment areas for the success. The family can sit and have 2 people to float, but they must be appealable to the population. That's a strategy. Another strategy is a candidate produced by a party. In Tanzania, you can also influence in the opposition a man who is not hostile to you at Abasibe. Ono ye President Iranali Bali Bambabazi President Elisa Nabanakulayira nti bakumyewo emyaka 7.
Tamale
kati ekyagala ko kiwulidde kye baliko buli mubaka parliament bamuwadde miliyoni 200 baagala
miliyoni 200
okukola embaga miliyoni 200 buli muntu era baagala gundi tebagala security ballot abawangulirayo omuwulidde nti olanya bwajja aleete ekiteeso Kadaga yaleete ekiteeso ekyo kya bulimba Kadaga there is no speaker who has a veto. If the NRM has a majority, what's the role of the speaker? Because motions are brought in 2 ways. Baga omwami yatugamba doyo yagambye mbumale sangwanga muogera. Yes, mwatula ne mugamba Baganda use the condoms. Kati yagambye I'm going to look for people like Hamubani otujukira kati kagoli yabuuza nti awira agents
tabalida kati
ekyokubiri
nedda
ulira
mbe ekyokubiri ndokendete cyane
olanya bamutembeeya kuba batya Kadaga nti bo balowooza nti ene boda ina potential y'okufuga eggwanga. What's the relationship? Their attitude towards Muhoozi is the same attitude they have towards Kadaga bombi tebabaagala. So it is one, let me tell you, I did the logic. Let us examine the role of a speaker. Can a speaker veto a motion? Can a speaker influence motions? Normally, is the government a lead of government business who brings motions?
The Prime Minister?
Yes. If it is a private member's motion,
Parliament.
Government must accept to meet the financial implications. Onomwami Yagamba, he prefers to work with the Northerners. Federal use the condoms. Abayistani basiru. So I dismiss the argument. Nti tujja kuleta motions as 5-7 years and Kadaga azigana. How can Kadaga prevent a motion the speaker? Ekitegeeze Olanya is being brought by a sinister motive.
mbamuleta sibansoka sirwakula kulanyoka titamali discussion
if they are doing something good for the president why have they constructed a building in Kugamba? It is an insulated voice gundi voice proof against the armored. Who has that in mind?
It is soundproofed.
If they are doing something good, why are they hiding in an armored gundi? Why are they fearing to this spying it? Have you discussion
ku succession
agenda asoma akatabo keeta Shakespeare omusajja yagamba atya ti gold shaped heads people with such a is dangerous akasajja akutali nze kankuze kazungeno is very dangerous.
let's talk about President Museveni's succession. Kubanga the discussion about succession itarinze
etaliyo tuva mu kalulu ayagala yenga tajja kufuga gwanga tajja kulifuga
okwogera ku succession
musate netumaleka samukwanira mukazi niyo wakala kitatiso
netukoleka ekisajja kiramba nga twogera ku succession embuzi ya succession tekaddiye
nabagamba nti ontayina fallback position ye yatamira kiri mu mutwe gwe
ani atulokola mu kino President Museveni kuvayo kutubulira
abantu bali aweera badduka abo enyumba bayasibaje jikuba lwaki kibaba zoke ekimanye kiri mu maje enyumba kyo bajja bakubanga mu bali fulumavu tekiri amadi
ndoza nakyo kiri tuyamba
amadi bayingira bali amadi oli ali bali musangawo
nakubira mu ndobo
ukaduka kantu yapuse ko kajja kola kote kajja kola
bote bali amadi
kakati is succession it must be an open field. It must not be intended for somebody.
Tamari, challenge you know one. Constitution ya Uganda is very clear. Singa president ya Firano Rwari mjidire. Vice president ya taking over. But everybody is preoccupied by
vice president. Vice president of Uganda is not a vice president for continuity.
The constitution.
Yes, 90 days. Kakati under NRM. Bagamba ani anite kolubengo.
Kati constitution ya Uganda si constitution ya NRM si Uganda
ono si ruto era twakine kukadaga na mukodomiu
kubanga constitution tegamba
azi izi akira hivyo kati chairman alikodi nesajja guwasomeraje eroya ngofuse gundi company secretary kiri nga buli kintu nikiduka n'ento yakyo nikiduka nikitwala ki reporting
Dr. Specials awandira
kyagambe mukiru himu ngati the bulletin easy nkutekwe nkubendu nkutambikwe n'ejo yosolo
Dr. Specials akazibenga akyali vice president yagobako ku minister
ngugambe
obuyinza obwo ngabulina kakati bano balowooza nti speaker balinza bagamba nti president agenda kuresign ng'enkya
speaker alina roles bbiri Speaker bo balaba nti Museveni ayinza okutamalaako in such a crisis ati bala yes in such a crisis who comes as a transitional leader olaja
but how does
speaker you have failed why somebody pumps 20 million mubabaka bitano ina sente mmeka
then like sebebuza kubanga nekye bakola ne kijamu
yes
they are pursuing
no exactly no but adding kugainti olanye ekimuleetesa two things and it's yagamba akolagana banozana you cannot have a situation where the chief justice is a northerner the deputy governor is a northerner no ganti the speaker the pillars of the state abilities of a northerner to manipulate. But Obote was underestimated. One of the reasons Obote was elected for two reasons. One, he bought to beer. Two, balowooza nti money from the north would develop his own area, would be easily manipulated. Bano abaganda bano ab'amaanyi. Underestimate somebody and see. Ono yero ye yakuba every live ngubuuziza, tell me the commonality what Muhoozi shares with Kadaga, which means this man will fight everybody he perceives. Ebyogundi yabikola ombuyiko inange yatabande bonna akoleki. That's a person is very dangerous.
Ngasobola okusikira
asobola okusika era yakugaye nti percent zote zina kubanga ezo buli mbaka parliament bamwete miliyoni agaga bagala security ballot
buzzword
to celebrate. Who has that type of money? Tell me. Era kugaye nti percent symbol buli muya nobody said afende kutoko to mirundi every head has a price of one yuko uwange te win a price uwange ndi ku principle.
Every head has a price.
Why is serious? I'm 7. Why if somebody, if the president gave me 7 billion in Gazatoka, I would be one of the richest people. But Kazi, you can't do it. President, it is bringing him money, and the Dutch is a donation, the Dutch is a rover. Katilibuka, Tuliako to the professor, I will kill those boys. Let anybody touch my money, you will see when I took the money.
Tewazitwala.
Indala. Ewe yategeredde yine bali ne program.
President niga kwagala nyo. Nakwasene nga bazibba bakwongere bazibba.
Bilioni musanvu bazibba abana.
President tamanyiga kusa
kalisa n'entwe kalisa akomawo. Nani ngenda kubetenta muwango omuntu. Kuba tamanyi nti mbambi manyi.
Ancho genda no bitabula nange ne bitabula. Muwanga to kuba wachi.
Ati kubatu makomewo mu program ideko. After Kalisa sensing danger, the president realized afuna centers abwere the program yavako da. That program was being paid for by the president himself. Nabaga sente muzijeyo baza kati Kalisa naduka demu wako zisembwayi. Nganze mbawulira kana katambi bwenka kuba kano. Kabaka amabega nnyo.
Okay, Tamale. Kakati out of the
bagale bache bagambye. Bagaye nti akaddiye.
Gwe,
muzeye akaddiye.
Ekyo kya discussing.
Bagaye muzeye akaddiye atandise n'okuvuma abagenyi. How can he abuse visitors that they are idiots?
Ekyo ngabadde akyogera.
Bagamba mbuno omukolo gwabaddeko bazzukulu be. You see, omuntu bwakaddi bwalowoleza mu bazzukulu be abategese omukolo baana baani.
Nafa ababadde otwande bana bazukulu.
Mbwa bategese omukola abatuuzizza abagenyi.
Is that a problem?
Kubanga
no kweyetegezo.
We are being sidelined. We are being atefu abali sidelined longeego. Fe mwa sidelined.
Bana bakaba kubera sidelined be bani.
Abanti aba batudde.
N'okutegeka omukolo kuzimba tent n'okuteekawo ebituufu nga nakibagere bwe bakikola.
Group yabadde
muzikagante bakikola nekikolebwa
muwala wani. We are being sidelined. We are being sidelined. Salandi Muhoozi taking an upper hand. Ekyo nekibagamba nti it is very difficult. There is no challenging time in life like graduating from a colony prince to a king. Oyinza okubanga gwobadde weyita colony prince nabawe ekyokulabirako nti Kabaka Hussein wa Jordan bwe bamuzuula nga alina proceed cars was a pilot. Piloted his plane to Amman, the capital of Jordan. Nagoba longo serving colony prince we muganda we nalonda omwana w'omuzungu naddayo mu America n'afa. Colony prince kizibu gye bayinza okubanga bakulowooza nti
who of those is a crown prince?
Waliwo yeyita colony prince.
Yeyita.
Kakati situation yate has changed because mbagamba nti if you want to succeed somebody, nalaba omusajja ewaffe ku byalo yalwala ne bamuleeta ekitovu. Kati bwe bamuleeta ekitovu nga mutabani w'omugagga wa Kampala ye musuuza agala kuddayo n'agamba kitaawe n'abaga kitaawe nga tayogera pressure yamukubye n'agamba bannyina nti abasawo baŋŋambye dadi takyasobola kulikavalinga. Instead of wasting time here and money, why don't we take him back home?
Alwalire waka.
Evubuka ly'okukyalo erya boda nerigamba nti
wona zaalwo obuseere
wano wangu kubanga basawo tubayita mangu nayeeka omusitula kola ki shall get problems omuvuka w'omukampala olwagenda kitaawe n'asaba olupapula naga nti mumpize gundi ng'obupapula bw'olowooza nabo kwatadda if we were not doing something sinister illegal treasonable when you go to the extent of writing batukwata why to be kuyinza okubeera mu kyaki eminensi serwadayinza okugamba nti lwaki bankwata mu kyaki ndabyamu abo obutambi
ng'obyogenda okubuulira si bituufu
where do you hide to the extent of constructing
you don't want to preach nga kamera zikukutte enjiri esaasaane
omusajja obusika bwe yabugabira yatunuulya ng'onomulenzi amuwaddeyo apurifalinga maali ye ono omwana omuto ye omukozi wa bodaboda akkiriza okulekayo yinkamu ye eya bodaboda alabire ekitaawe that's why we say graduating from a crown prince to king is very challenging bayinza okuba nga bakuobuservinze nga you are very ambitious bayinza okuba nga bakuobuservinze nga you are arrogant omwana omulenzi ayinza okukola ekintu kimu kati fe abaganda kasakitawo aba ayagala okudisqualifying aga nti yantuula mu kifuba omwana ng'omulenzi oyo yantuula mu kifuba tosika
omuzito oweredde
aweyagala omu ku bakazi b'abato
kale
omuganda bwakiyita ye
kutula mu kifuba
nti oyo omulenzi omukulu muganye tajja kunsikira yantuula mu kifuba abakumazi kakati okikola ddi amala kukaddiwa n'aleeta abawala abato bewenkana nabo n'obazanyirako nga obatolooza nti nnyoko kyobala tukula tuwet from kakati wayinza okuba environment
walibeerawo situation tambale president Museveni lwali tulaga omusika oba kijja kwekola
what Museveni does what nkugambe nti what benefits a country you cannot come to me and tell me that mirundi ani ali kusikira unless you are insinuating that all my boys are not mine how does a country get success? I've told you there are 3 or 4 catchment areas for success. The first family can produce appealable people. Kyonafananyi kitaawe
tutandikeko kitamale
sibulirangayo mukasikira sezaala it will be very unique
tutandikeko kitamale as the first family ngabo ujira ina musambo da available to public
and okay. Politics is a name and money ndi bichabuze yaleetana waleta limu obati talimu
ne muzukuru wa
msajja yakoze argument n'agamba
ne muzukuru wa mini Sharifa ne yalaide ngolo
ko mutabani we Hitler yaleta mutabani we Amini yaleta mutabani we gondi
Amini yaleta mutabani we nga bato batabani
we mugami nti ezo zibantalo but if somebody has cultivated gondi himself General Park kano kachika walake bakasiba naye ndwachi kabadde popular mu Pakistan mu gondi
South Korea
yes kitabu wako Park ya Rwanda General Park
yazimbe joita Korea ndola golwale
ne bana bo munoso Korea jajja yali jen gende Pakistan bani butu bamwanika kalaba mulawe teyajja gende genda India bagandi babera kune na mwandu soni obuyitale ngati ne mugandi yakati bayina gandi ko batunulira so in policy why should we
Trump yawangula ko muzukuru wa Bush Jeb yali amwisibye ngagala kuja
how
Jacob Bush oli Bush omulala yali ajja
eleta Bush senior ne Bush ki
ne Bush omulala yali ajja
the family dominated a constituency for 45 years nga yabwe ba Kennedy bamaze kugwawo. So politics is a name and money. If my father performs
so catchment area number 1 in your first family
yes
okuteka
you must get somebody who is appealable. 2 that man must be disciplined to ensure balibe basoko okuvetinga eyo no bujozi ngojo kanga tubalaba ku tubayinza kuwa
catchment area number 1 catchment area number 2
because a president cannot allow somebody to succeed him if he can create his own political base within a very short time or if he does not attribute his success to him ajaganti after all nalisi na manyigangu sali mugagga sasoma kubitabo byawandika kakati ewokubiri
ng'ekyali kize e Burundi nti lwa Nkurunziza kufa naye okuleeta Ndayishimiye Evariste baali bamuwadde n'ekifo mu constitution nga bakita supreme guide bagenda muwa ssente bweziti atule wali awumule akola atya agaidinga yambe simanyi bayafa
ogenze gendera ddala
simanyi bayanywa obutwa naye yafanze kimanyi nti yafa mutima
Biyo wa Cameroon yali president bamwitanga Ahijo nga Biya vice president wa Ahijo Biya nakolaga n'addokita Omufalansa namuga nti omutima gukuba bubi nnyo bw'omala kuba president omwezi ogufa n'abuta bagenda omukebera nga mulamutteke nayagala okudda Biya namukuba mu kkomera so tricks tuzita Paris schools kakati another area is the party a party can produce in Tanzania. You can, at 35 years, you would even influence the opposition in Gabagamba one. Tiabava Moboso, many above Chamacha Mapinduzi, Vivaragawa, Goviva in a mood. Yes. Kakati a party, opposition, a party, a family member, and a wound. An independent man again, wound, Kakati Peroti Bani, America Batani Sokuja. Lwaki muka Clinton yajja mukono ajavuganye nga bayavuganye politics is the name and the money and the contribution of you rely on the shoulders and the contribution of your parents yes uli mutabani wanu
parliament yinzo kutuyamba okushaping a succession
anti kakati boche banu
nena mbuza kati opinion yo opinion yo nga political science
ayagala mugemana mulangiranga uwe
kakati tuve
ayagala chifu justice anamulangirira anti uwe
naye okusinzira kugwe
the man is selfish
olabanga parliament esobola okutuyamba okushaping a succession
the moment Museveni
tubakoli yagalizo
Museveni consults an idea emerges from one sinegena museke negena mupati. If this time comes, that's why I'm telling him, you say when you chipwete, yagala new, yelenamuganti jana, wacha speed, wacha.
Yagala kusoka mukapa.
Yagala kusoka mukapa.
Namtekateka.
So you know, I'm tula. You can even scare the population.
Batekateka mtekete.
Yes.
Bage
mumuze ya kadi. Agenti muzee akaddi
nufene tukaddi
mulaba
ninga bonna liteni yazeko
nekiwandika ko wano kabasome
tugenda kasoma kanonga tukomyewo nga tufanye birango naye njagala okukola gatamale parliament yatekize she
it is clear obwa president kintu kinene. I also have interest to pursue in this country. That's why the interest is sizange. Even if you kill me, you cannot force me to support your project by coercion. You had the authority to chase me from State House. Wali was Cesaro. Neno omuntu ogwango guno abemmengo bibagamba obata ompagi abata twagere sese kuba omuntu eno omuntu ogwa n'omuntu ogwa gwagumpa katonda emitoti yijja mmengo. That's why I disagreed with these Mengo people. Atawagera byafasirika jango byogere wange benyondo omuntu. Two, kakati sofa otafiri bamubuuza nti kugenda kuwagira ndi mu kalulu kwa president naganti bayotafiri ali fani yabaganti that is a stupid question. So far I've seen one candidate omanyiti besi yadikiradi yali nominated before Museveni yaga kati njogere kwani this only one candidate mani yali nominated before Museveni anti party ya mulonda before.
Okay,
FDC did everything launching a manifesto kuba babibeno zene bagulira tasobola kukola bantu nkaga kukolera manifesto basima kulinga ebintu okujja kongo bakutudde mu guwandika economy guwandika kuchikuchi kati ebintu bya Museveni babisima kulinga ali ono najja akola ki najja afulumya manifesto
FDC yakopa NRA
tuweza kudira abantu bajifuula prophet. This is a task force to write a manifesto. See abantu wana do you know Moses has appointed me to sit on his manifesto nogenda ngalengengala byalengengala
kyo bulijjo okulo na manto milioni ana omuntu era bayina
kwasana professor president yamuganti write a paper for me ekwata ku 1966 crisis. I'm going to address my soldiers at Chimaka najiwandika yamusanga unga atudde ku benches mu maaso teyakisoma ebijja mu mutwe
bino professor byamuwandiikira
ebisoma
era 66
nemubuuza ne Kasajja kwina amagezi oba president I wanted to guide him
nga presenting I'm going to know your tamale
I'm telling you I'm telling you babikola
yabula mu conference
agave president nasome ekintu kwekono exactly as we did it now they gonna be sejembe because they want to be ndena mulagira era gundi okyechamu nze sula yona gundi sheyune bwe yatulanga ne president ku mukolo ngasaba bwe nakusaba kino n'okikola naye kusaba wekiso sije kyamusula
ngire kyeyune
era saba ngaba nakusaba kino n'okikola naye kusaba kino n'okikola nakino okusaba okikola that's the president rely on you on your ideas you would even be happy that what you said
ekikiriza
is included but you don't go and
ulikiwandika mu kitabo kyanga president yavuddeko namusaba kino
you think nti baleni ni bitabo ebyo nabe babiwandikanga where could they get time somebody can assign you but it does not mean tiwandika omukono seba statement siwe yabadde bwetyo ndoza abawandiisi bo agikyusira
kiringa ngaba nagamba okukyogera sewe n'okyogera asuuliriza akwatira kawe esawa
eminence n'omugamba kakati guli musajja mugezi what if eminence tells you to write a paper
bw'alanga okugipresenting kati
abusube batuufa era
nebbeera eminence kanokeera bidde fact eri
you know that for me I don't read. Why? I don't read speeches. Bakugamba nti professor developed a theory ng'agenda agidefendinga mu every university. Kakati driver we n'abikulaminga. Babagenda ku university n'amugamba let me act as a professor, you as a driver. Kulagenda nange ndi mugezi. Kakati na biriya bikulaminze nayogera naye omuvubuka omu namubuuza ekibuuzo ekiri difficult away from his capacity. Driver yagamba that is a very simple question, let me call my driver to answer it. He called the professor. Kakati nza kusanga ng'ekintu omuntu kyeyakoze
ng'ekibuuzo kyangu nnyo ekyo tekittemale na professor Budde dereva yakisobola kadereva kajje kumbe baswikinze n'oluzi professor
kakati
kwatira kawo ngalo okujegerako bino mukotu kobe sawa eriyo abatuliza njagala okulamusa ku mama wange Rebecca Mugotenga ambassador we Ethiopia Djibouti kwali kati awuliriza era wajenanga ncha mtamale mundabire kwali akuwuliriza era mutumide nabiragana gona kulwalero mama Rebecca Mugotenga
kutwabadde ne mawo
nzikiriza tamale
people listen to me bategeereze ddala oyo musajja wa Museveni
nzikiriza tukomo
abantu basimba n'ebitooke ne bakola kimwa era ako nakawulidde akasajja ako nga kagamba kuba kalidde abo agent for me when I'm presenting myself I give myself a room of escape musajja ko nze njoka bamalirawo kakwate ku ssente zange
webale kwando chana fe nzeja agenda sema kwaze kusoka lwa ambassador tulina mkuku nafutamana mirundi abatina batuli kwa Impact FM ne ku Dream TV mwanabo nja watuliza abali jamuna yabazo mkama tukesereza tera atuyambi atusobosiza okutuka na chai na kuno lwali
kagato kitegete kyegambi lwali
tumende kumbonga obado ina kwa
the most important issue today I've declared myself as a campaign manager for Muhoozi ate talina buyinza bungo basiya nonze the enemy of your enemy is my friend ono yesi mukkiriza anti sofa tulina bakandisi abo anti tulina babiri kati ye yedikiralize ninga naivoye Muhoozi kakati kamuwanika mpulire
ne Muhoozi tanedikira kati enda
mwagaliza omanya omukazi ewaka nga ayina omulenzi gwayagala muwala waabase ayinza okutandika okubuuza nga afukamidde nga tomukwata mu ngalo yeetegekera oba kubeera mukoddomi we kati nze minzaani kangiwanike Bambuli chairman is recording. Mulaba kusimu wano chairman.
Muhozi wanako gama
recording me.
Muhozi wanaka dirikira okumana.
Nedda. Alangirire ntayagala.
Muhozi.
Nete kati ndi volunteer.
Muhozi taina muyinza mukusirisa.
Museveni bwavaawo. Museveni bwavaawo.
Oli ku Muhozi.
Era nze mbagamba bagenti nze mpagira Kadaga. I know Kadaga's capacity. If Kadaga challenges Museveni over the presidency, I will say it with Museveni. We disagree
with Kadaga.
Leto gamba Tanzania ina mukazi. Gondi Kenya mulamuzi mukazi. Mwe Nimujogo nsi yonna omukazi kisache mwamuma owenye dolo bwe kuba nagwa gundi bagemerire nafuna some what type of gender are you talking about
Catherine Mgemerere
what gender are you talking about
yafuna meka
75 owana mutano kwali yambadde wiki kibali ntwala yinja mu wekenda mugende gwiziji wacha yo wiji yao kwa chichwa
ne results zabo zi
tawa wiji kwa chichwa shoya ugota 45
ukakuja hapa nayo bimulangire omulamu wa Supreme Court
nga muti yako omulamu stagwedda lunga sibite bwerere omulamu musule
kali biliyo lese Tanzania baina president mukazi
yes
Kenya chief justice mukazi
yes
so kati na for noteka kwa speaker mukazi
balancing women lwacho wa vice tabagwogerako ambu yeba muha omeyo wa vice oberanda bali bajozi chikutegeeza nti olanyazi abamutembe tebamutembe yana good face ona aloza mulanyaka njaka kuba kubira ku social media ku ebirundi office mbabuli strategy nti tino kuleta ekiteso bwekiti era ujukira necha akakoze cyali kya myaka musango and what you people don't know let me tell you if we had term limits and we amended the constitution to not to have term limits, you must explain to Ugandans what situation has changed because you are abusing Museveni. You cannot change term limits when Museveni is still around. Term limits must choose at the end of Museveni's term. Now that the man we're interested with this special arrangement of not having a term limits because of his contribution to this country is retiring. We are now reviewing because we are not sure kwadako they would want to term limits of Museveni
gozuwa
see you know but we just no assumerage abamu bayinikiza exaggerated intelligence nzabana abo gwembala babwenti bonna abo nga nabagase ne chairman wako bakuba omuntu once you have a lot of money and you have a poor background reasoning about mwebazi zijako programs ojakeno jakemba omutoba gwasi nibajawo mutabazi mbono mwala jazijawo ajikuba mbeba mukole n'ebinsu zo programs zikwatakenza abantu bamukale bambetenta kati mwakolaji kati ate mudduka mbu bukomo because you are facing no I have no interest in your future plans. In politics, we don't carry excess baggage. If I know that I'm not going to be part of your future plans, we decide here. Hey, abantu wajja n'okwagala nagati oyo kitange bwasiko oyo muganda nge bwasika wano sibidda ekijja ngenda kuzimba kyange kati oyo nze sinza mukkiriza
kati
omukulembeze yenna avudde mu guruupu eri criminalized by international criminal code maybe kakati katubuuze abasajja bwe babanga babavunana okutwala organs what if one of them becomes the president tetufuuka dairy farm tebatuyola misana tolaba etteka lye baali balese kana kazi akalinga akalina omutwe okulinga mangati akali kalese etteeka mbu regulate organs akakomuhereza era ke kagendeko president n'abagamba bategeera nti president is auditing sente za covid kati n'abagamba temugende mu nekadduka n'entwe yoko biliyoni 10 basitwale zange musanvu lekasitwalemu kasajja gwe kwata ku zino muhange wamu alizika tampeko yavu nkolageko owanda mu motoka ku luno
olutalo
njakulagako
olutalo olabikanga luze mu parliament kati wewali entabirawo let's think okulonda genda kwera kwa Monday baina ncha na Sunday okweteekateeka Monday
ngenda kuba katanga sasa
next week on Friday
yes it is supporting
next week on Friday
and olanya wouldn't be taken like that no me when it comes to that you are giving me a job as in Uganda, I decline it. I should get a job because I qualify.
Because of competence.
Yes, competence.
Next week on Friday you're going to put down, no? Peter speak. What? Chambers za speaker eza tamu eneja zija kwera mu either Kadaga oba Oulanya but not both of them. I think kuna katamale not both of them kuranga for the last 10 years tuwande ni Kadaga ni
ati bafu lutinga mubali tona kakati buka bada anyaga itakaliye makaya
tofauti amale
mubali
kakati chifakati tegera kwa ni parliament ga either Kadaga speaker
mu parliament tojja kutunda n'entebe
Kadaga speaker ne deputy atali Oulanya obanga Oulanya speaker ne deputy atali Kadaga
Oulanya ateka chi mu lutalo why does he black man this country they have already
get to me kadi chambers tugenda kwa ni chambers nga mulimu either Kadaga or Oulanya but not both of them
nabagamba nti
and I want to
nabagamba nti obunye dole ekyamulema kyali kimu kutegeeza Bobi Wine omusango ogujeeyo but court let us review your submission tugenda kusala musango a law is law. It does not depend on the tribe of a judge. It does not mean nisina yenava buli mulamuzi alina gye yava katulebe gumuwana ennyo yali minisita wa Museveni Attorney General why did he perform? Kadaga knew her role as a member of executive yakiza ne bakuba ba MP as a speaker yes, so it depends on how kakati nzengule ne gamba nti this would be a time of reconciliation nti Museveni mulamu Museveni is handling the issues insecurity yimwali mwina temukirabawo abaana nabaga nti no is negotiating with the government abaana bagenda kubata erola ba force eri munda bwe bajja ne babazaayo kuba mulimu force yagala ukiremezaawo nabagamba nti mu special forces ba plantingamu abantu bakuba abantu nga bakyayise muhozi era bagambye mu special forces yakuba omwana wange zaina ne video yigabe yali atambula nabo mu moto
obere yakuba mwana wa
anjawe muhozi
oba special force
tewali wo kamera abana bange family yange yone etambulira ku monitoring because they know I capture them era kati chairman yawandise kakati zempugamba olwaleero
chairman bamu reduce kuandika kupata
let me talk like utafiri the party has not produced a candidate. I have not seen anybody from the opposition. Museveni has not retired. But if the two, and by Rukbanga Hova Munju, but the take it in something wrong is going to happen on Museveni. Cousins of the two, Mpagiro, no, openly, a table invite Mizani Yakwewanika, Eregina Kwewanika. Mirundi wenyingi na mchintu, zikitanga yangamba kusamira Samira, Zam said they guarantee Mirina. Era umupolisi baba nabawulidde nga bagamba temanyi kyetubatukola tukwate omuserikale w'omuntu mujebu tuteekewo omupya amubalire essasi nga atamumanyi ate nabano bamutta obujulizi bubule nzira ye wange ekirunga waali omuserikale gubaleese nemugamba oli abaddewo yakoze eki kumakya nemukwata nemugamba kakati olaba eddiisa eryo omusajja oyo atudde mu ddiira omulaba ate nange ntunuulira tetufaanagana olabyeko ku mutandi wange ayingidde kati kufembe kubako omusasi olaba kwata namusanze yekiro
tamale
namusanze
omulingiza budirisa
nga tuli babiri abafaanagana mirundi omu ali mu ddiira alaba TV mirundi omulala anyumya naye yakomyewo
yakibulire kyeyamaani
yakomyewo
tamale mirundi ewakati wabadde mu bantu ewakawo
ate wiki babeerawo
bamulese ne bagambye ne muteekawo buteesi ati yakubaluliddewo sasi
anti
gwade wakubalula sasi nga
anti kakati namukambuliriddewo naditekiti mangu kyono mupya oli mumutaddewo omugisu wange
akumbe waka
aliwa atenga ne yasooka bamugamba nti contract ye yagwako nze nemusobola kunkola byakagolo namukoze ekintu eki tunula mu ddirisa omwo liggule omwani atuddemu ali alaba nti ggwe ate kuyogera naye yeggwe kakati gwe salawo oba enkyokomawo batokomawo
kubana babiri tako gweyagala omulala kukwata
teyakomyewo akakasajja tewakawulira tunayingira mu motoka yako ne kambuuza kati human how did you enter Mike nengagamba where you started nekatunula kati nalaba bukule kukankana nekagakanda banga nfuluma nekaje patent ekyo bakatwala mu ddwaliro kansanga ku kitanda nga ntudde the money is there ziri mwazibba naye zino ngenda bajjira y'amaanyi gonna ejjongo lya mundi bamalemu okyalina obudde
nina eddakiika 10 zokka zensigazayo njagadde nnyo okuwulira ebirowoozo ku palamenti
bagende Museveni nkugambye palamenti muli oyo yagisunda owulidde omusajja bwakugambye tetwagala olanya ayitemu tulina ebiteeso byaffe bitwagala baagala okulimitinga bayizawutamuli misinga olisibwa myaka 85 ngeno bakireezi naye Museveni bamukubire mu kaprovision kali babasuubira nti ayinza okudda
again nga batidde
yes ono tuyina ekyo tuyita shadow over the throne syndrome omwana atuuka ekiseera naaba nga alabuza ekitaawe ayinza nokwata nyina mu kiwato ngaalaba kitaawe taliiwo obulwadde bukwata omuntu tuyina bwe tuyita behind the throne syndrome noga nti gavumenti bwe tulabeerawo and he has a problem bonna bamusinza businza professor mwenye gundi ono ningoyuze kati ligenda kulikodinga litwalindira bano ku simu litwala n'amasuuti gali kuyizo kanti obagenda mulamuzi atambula ngaliduka litwala olugambo essajja ekkulu likola lugambo bali wakola lugambo
yasoma ki lawyer omukosa lugambo
naye byagamba mesha mirundi you bag it in my house come and debug it ndi wa masanyalaze niligamba but this man sees us when we are making love with our yes mbalaba era waliwo wakabina akatona abalaba kamuchitanda munda mbaleba
conclusion nsome chama chabaita again at crossroad ndi ku page ya 3 ekabalize some statements ngazi hizo. In conclusion, Museveni's age factor does Museveni's age factor is it a threat to country stability? Unlike the civil service, where the age factor is very important, it is not the same with politics. When former US President Bill Clinton was asked about the age difference between him and John McCain, Clinton implied that what matters are the ideas that the contenders had for America. In fact, in politics, it is widely believed that leaders become more pragmatic in old age. For example, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni signed a death warrant for Haji Sevirumbi and Kassim Obuda. But as he grew in age and experience, he started extending generosity by granting prerogative of mercy to the other death row inmates, including Chris Rakasisi and Major Nasur Abdallah. There are numerous examples to illustrate this phenomenon. Let's start with Italy. When the Italian economy was hit by an economic crunch, a Professor Napoleon, at the age of 95, was picked to fix the economy. The man who elevated China from a backward state to the second largest economy in the world, Chairman Mao Zedong, was 82 years old. US President Ronald Reagan ascended to power at the age of 75 and developed the US military to recover from the Vietnam defeat and back to the superpower status. American military became a soft target for terrorists and they had fled from Lebanon. In Kenya, Jomo Kenyatta took over power at the age of 76, and he's credited with laying a foundation for democratic institutions and revamping the economy. In addition, the late Julius Nyerere Kambarage became president in old age. I strongly doubt whether a young Nyerere would have allowed multipartyism and capitalism. The same politics applies to Kenneth Kaunda, who conceded to a humiliating defeat. In Nepal, And following the political upheavals that led to the abolition of the Nepalese kingdom, which lasted for over 300 years, a 95-year-old statesman was picked to restore order in the country. Therefore, what matters in democratic countries is not the age factor in leadership. One can ask, what was the intention of the framers to impose a 75-year limit in the constitution? My answer to this is that in the Uganda's case, the intention of the framers in mind, the intention of the framers had in mind has drastically changed. Uganda has electorate structures that can enable citizens to remove a leader if they detect diminishing returns. This is exactly what happens in other countries. In Britain, for example, Margaret Thatcher was extended by her party immediately. She started suffering diminishing returns. This also applied to former Prime Minister Tony Blair. He gave way to Gordon Brown. Then, since South Africa removed Mbeki from power because his term had expired, and the same likely to happen to his successor, Jacob Zuma, because they did not want the successor to inherit the incumbent's problems. Lastly, changing the age limit will help us to delay the succession battle. The NRM, remember, the NRM almost split over Amama Mbabazi's claim that he had been anointed to succeed Museveni. If we change this problem, it will create political stability because it would be left to the president to retire or seek another term. If we do not safeguard this, we shall plunge the country into unnecessary wrangles and also risk a lame duck president. The letters and the political purify rivalries, I think, cast a curse for Uganda's law during the term limit debate may curse.
Senga president yabadde in term limits. But where you have term limits, the president becomes a Remutaka president because the attention is focused on the success.
Chachiri Kenya.
Kenya, however much, and Raila wants to put in order, stop politicking, it can't.
It can't.
This is my last term. Kagazi, you look at ANC. ANC, they drop their president before a new election. Yes. President, to stability. Why? If he wants to come back, he comes back.
Coach player yes.
If he wants to come, you coach at him.
Yes.
That's why because of Museveni's presence, there was excitement in the party over who should. It has erupted in the family, where somebody is saying, the science is saying is that his group is being alienated from the center. He says, if I wanted money, Nalikiza in president's office in Angabirako, Mirundi is not interested in the money. Mirundi is interested in integrity. He says that if I wanted the money, I would have accepted a job in a new vision. Not at all. If I abused everybody, then what was the essence of taking me to president's office? A reject is a reject. I tell you, Charlie. And two, when I told you the fellowship, until undermining Museveni, because Museveni is suffering from service delivery, invading the economy. Akugamendi sent it to proximity to the president. Nemupeza musenyalazi, nemuleta emiti emifu, nemuleta generators enfu, nemuleta chi, nemuwamba ennyanja, nemuwamba taxi, nemuwamba ba. Yes, I quarreled with the Kutesa as he says. Ndine Kutesa yamuvumako kati gwali naye. Over buses zilaya zita. Aziti zali zize. Nabaga nti a bus transport newava muno za mulema. Two, fares out to the Kamunyezi. Ngaka katika jeno katumba ya unyi. Byaza nyemu na taxi bamuzanye game. Byaza nyemu na boda boda. You cannot regulate enjaga. When the Bazungu wanted to regulate Walaji, but district Walaji, as opposed to the Mandule. Kakati border, you cannot regulate a border is an illegal transport means. It only indicates that you have a problem in your economy. Ntiabana chibasobola okwekolera kugulayo kutunda protein agulaji abana bafugira bagaga kati kwe Katumba kyokola mwaba kubanga enkyabonayira era bakoma wenkeera kubanga zibakolawo zebakola ki kati kwe Katumba bwolagira decision namugwanya naye kukuma namugwanya kuba namugwanya akolagana n'abantu ne Katumba yize potential y'omuvunza nga bwe bakuba Kadaga bwe bakuba Muhoozi bwe bakubani whoever they perceive to challenge them in future
ne Katumba naye kati bamala
okwata kukati kamba buli nzimba gamba let President Museveni give me this assignment enjaji mukolyanga siri mu government because I cannot be part of government again manyi network ya basola no kutawo abana but determined kakati ngugamba I can solve this transport and congestion problem. One, you start with the vehicles za taxi ezalemera mu magalaji COVID bwe yajja the president's statements created an impression taxi zikyaddamu kakati abasajja taxi zalemera mu galaji mpitirivu nnyo ezalina kuteekamu mupiira ezitosobola kukola ki talina bukadde butaano bugezaawo mmotoka eyo bayita ziramusaako ogiwe buguma oba enegundi milling company tandika n'ezo ezalemerayo you fix the price geeti ekibanda ye bajja mubba emmotoka olyoka ogambe nti ezo zemuyita gundi eziweddeko gundi kubanga abazungu bagezi ba Japan kati mmotoka zino ezakamunyeza bulijjo tezikyajja ezo bazivuddeko mu myaka ebiri Kenya twagendayo ne bawera kamunye ziri mu Uganda 14 city Kenya teriyo bazibba wano nze nabawunyanga babbezange nendeta omubbi disco wano ng'enjuki emulemedde mu nnyenda n'agula emmotoka ezi nenkadde n'agireeta ne ssente zange genda obuze Kasinji musajja yali abbye emmotoka 1300 mu East Africa wano yakwata eyange nemulagako neze wano mutwali bwe natambulanga n'egundi n'essanda negaba mutwali bwe nja mukwata mutwali busamukwata
yajja n'omusota mulaga
samujje ewaabwe embaale esironko ng'ajjidde ku mbwa embwa yajjanga ebubbula bwerabetala bo yatuukira Kaleero wali okuva embaale tamanyi kyeyajjirako yaga nti embwa y'amayembe kati bw'atuuka wano Kaleero ali bwereere nze nabba emmotoka ya mirundi nze namugulira engoye
omusala gwamusanga mu toilet
yagenda mu toilet ng'alidde empuuta eri kumwezinga mu bulago yajjira kumuwa
embwa yali waawo ku toilet
anti yagamba banne nti ekisolo kye yajjirako kyajjiranga kibakolanga embwa kale nze mbagamba
these people
are panicking over
the
president has handled the domestic issue properly. We are going to have peace. Ababana kasaba batani bwe bawaabo. Two, fill the vacant important posts. You cannot have a country without a human rights commission. And nobody is talking about it. This is an auditor, an internal auditor of government, as far as the human rights are concerned. Declare that all the safe houses have been abolished. And here's money with it. Zino ziri misused kaka ensekanga mu bantu bakulyako sente sobi nazonuna sobilization waliwo nomuna bamuyita joko bebakwatanga abantu bakola ki bebazita. Otherwise safe houses have been part of the police since colonial times. Kakati the last second Museveni yalina okukola singa bamuwadde stability cabinet tugitunuulidde obazaamu abafu obazaamu ababbi nga bamubulaka mairinga oba ateekamu abali ku international criminal court ye yamanyi but the parliament is going to have yegenda okuwa abantu hope. And let me tell you, I don't mind about European funding. That's why you have accumulated loans which we don't see. Bahati Kasaija. Where is it? Where is the impact of these huge loans you have constructed for this country? Sent Babanzi.
Yes.
What does it mean? What it means kitegeza nti sente Uganda zekozesa za intano ki collections za mulibezi
abantu banje za mabanje zibabba
bazikula yamayumba gabo bagakwatidde bafati bwalinyo mu America ne Kasaije babaletanga babbe bapusi kusinga makoti nagamba kamundi bahati nti empale ekoti erisigala ambalala empale kabali aliyingira Rwanda muganda we kasajja okufuluma Kampala aligendera mu coffin abantu mukwatira ono banyigiriza emisolo lijibe emisolo nga sente tewali. Where is the impact of this man? Kakati nkugamba the moment the president ensures nti every coin collected goes to the service delivery taina buzibu sente zabazo fetumanyi I know where you see that the money the bazungu money has worked. Bazungu money goes through non-government organizations. If you go to Kenya, most of the MPs in Kenya who have been brought up in politics by the non-government organizations. Kuba government said delivery yafa. Ekikutegeeza nti sente za Museveni zezikola mu Uganda. Baba sente za COVID za Museveni. Baba sente z'enzige za Museveni. Baba sente z'amata za Museveni. Baba sente z'emmere za Museveni. Akakasajja kagambye nayingira mu Bank of Uganda neziba mu 5 billion. Yali azintumye Museveni yamukwatako. Teyakwata kunze n'azinsesemya. Naye oligo yali azibyeko yamukwatako. Kakati if this money if Museveni ensures that the money collected from Uganda Revenue Authority goes to where it is needed, ngababbi abayodde ngababbi abakutteko bano abapanikingira bwerere, he will have a comfortable term of 5 years, and Museveni needs this term more than anything before. Why? This is when he must prepare his retirement. I know retiring in a conducive environment to blackmail the new leader. The new leader wajja nasanga nga buli kintu kyonna kifu yene wakola wakatonde nnyo abantu bagamba new leader is going to touch oil money. We will change this country fundamentally. So therefore another mafuta kafibayizo gadikiralinga blood era ndikufana say so the emphasis is to ensure that every coin collected is put to those who steal our money to